everybody, my name is Bhavya Sekhri and I'm a child development trainer at Little Lee. So today I'm back with another video on the topic of screaming. Do you also have a screamer at home? Well, there are a lot of kids that are loud and there are a lot of strategies to help parents regulate their unnecessary screaming. However, the first thing a parent needs to do is stand in their child's shoes and try to understand what is actually making the child scream. Why do the child think that screaming is a way to get whatever they want? So here are a list of questions that you can reflect upon to understand your child's perspective a little better. First, is the child angry and that is why are they screaming? Is the household environment such that they think screaming is okay? Do they think that screaming is the only way to attract attention towards them? Are they screaming because they feel powerful? And you can also reflect upon if you scream while giving instructions. Thank you so much for watching this video. In the next part, I'm going to talk about the different ways you can manage and regulate the unnecessary screaming.